Hey, it's the holiday season. And have you ever wanted to make your own card that looks magical and handmade but don't really know where to start? Well, today I'm going to show you 3 simple, easy Christmas tree designs. This channel is all about doing it yourself, and these ideas are perfect for any beginner. It's good for a last minute gift and it's great for your pocket. So, as I set the mood, just remember you can use colored pencils, markers, or whatever you already have at home. No need for any fancy supplies. For the first tree, we're keeping it super simple, just triangles. Then after that, I'm using bold color combinations. Then I'm using a fine tip marker to add fun patterns for each triangle. So just imagine zigzags, dots, stripes. Then once the patterns are done, I'm gonna finish with a few simple color details. So let's put some stars on top of those trees and add a little snow. And there you have it, 4 Christmas trees, clean, modern, and super cute on any card. Tree number 2 is completely opposite, and that's what makes it fun. Instead of triangles, we're building the entire tree using circles. You can use whatever you like, but I chose things that I found right around the house. Do you see those pennies? So keep stacking circles until you get that Christmas tree silhouette. It's playful, abstract, and I think it turns out really pretty. For this version, I'm using bold jewel tones, which I love, like emerald, sapphire, topaz, and amethyst. Doesn't that just sound rich and luxurious? I think this card turns out to be eye-catching, and it's unique, and it's a big break from the traditional greens and reds. And for that last finishing touch, if you want to make it sparkle, you can add tiny highlights with a white marker. You can't mess this up. There's no wrong way to decorate this one. Now for the last tree, tree number 3. I'm going to describe it as whimsical. You're starting with 2 shapes, a triangle and a rectangle, and then my favorite part. Fill the tree with fun swirls that flow right out of your imagination. I decided to use fine tip markers for this because I want the swirls to be crisp and clean, and keep in mind that you can choose whatever colors that make you happy. Pastels, bright modern colors, or classic Christmas colors. As you come close to finishing your sketch, keep in mind that you can also add little sparkles, stars, or dots if you want to add more detail. So now you have 3 easy Christmas card ideas that you can make with just simple shapes, relaxing coloring, and your own creative imagination. So are you pressed for time, but you want something thoughtful and meaningful without having to spend too much money? Then try these ideas. And for those of you who might want a full-length how-to version of each one of these trees, these videos are going to be dropping every week in December. Back to the drawing board.